Hey guys, it's Annie, Creative.Cliche. Today I filmed this super easy spring makeup look for you. So it's basically just like a yellow smoky eye and a pink lip. But I'm telling you guys, I like filmed this in, it has to be like a half an hour. So it was super quick yet effective. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to start out with the color Punch Me from the James Charles palette. It's this guy right here. Just to give it like a nice transition shade. I've never done a Yellow Smokey Eye before. Or even, I feel like I've never even done yellow eyeshadow before. So this is gonna be interesting. But I've seen a lot of Yellow Smokey Eyes and I really like them. I feel like it looks good on everyone that I've seen, so I'm hoping I don't look like a weirdo. I'm also gonna take this underneath as well. I always like using a transition color just to warm up my eyes just in general. And it gives them just a little bit of depth as well. You can either do this with your contour shade, which is what I used to do before I got this palette. But this color is like the perfect transition shade. I feel like this would make a really good nose contour color too. So I'll have to use that sometime. All right, now I'm gonna take a clean brush. I'm gonna use this to go over my lid as well. And then into my crease. So this is the color B. This is that bright yellow in that same palette. This is extremely pigmented. I'm gonna drag that into the crease as well. Just gonna feather that out. I feel like I like it, but I kind of look like I have jaundice a little bit. I'm also gonna go underneath my eye here. All right, now I'm gonna take it on my finger, stamp it on. Ooh, that is such a pretty color. I feel like I wasn't paying attention to when James was talking about which colors were like what was he talking about? Like some are blending and then others you have to like put your finger in or something. I don't know, I can't remember. But I feel like I don't pay attention to those rules in general because most of the time I apply eyeshadows with my fingers anyway. But I know there are a lot of people who got like really bent out of shape about like not knowing which ones were pressed pigments and all of that. Alright, and I'm just gonna go back into Punch Me. Just go into the crease a little bit more and a little bit underneath. I just wanted to mix with that yellow and almost give it like a mustardy transition. Can you guys believe that it's already March? Like, what the heck? I like literally like it's mind-blowing to me, especially because it didn't snow nearly as much as it did last year. Like last year I feel like we had a snowstorm like every other day. Like our power went out like at least like 15 times last year. It was like insane. Okay guys, so this eyeliner, I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's Dolce or Dulce. I don't know. This is what it looks like. This is like a really fine graphic pen liner. This is like perfect. I got this in the, what is it? It was the Allure beauty box. They sent me that and it's just like, oh my god. Like I have a video coming out. I'm not sure whether it's gonna be before or after this video. If it's already posted, I'll have it like blocked up top here for you guys to click on. But I'm telling you, this is like the best graphic liner I've ever tried. And it's been really holding up. It just like glides so effortlessly. And then when I do the wing, it's like super easy. I'm like so far away from my mirror, guys, so it's like not looking as effortless as it is when your mirror is like right next to you. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the other eye real quick. Alright, now I'm just putting on some mascara, and this is the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And now for my lashes, I'm going in with my everyday lashes. These are the Amoros lashes. These are in WSP. Alright, now we need some mascara on these guys. So these are previously used pair of lashes, so I already have some on there. But I'm just gonna refresh them a little bit. Guys, I'm really loving this eye look. This is really cool. I can't believe I've never done yellow before. It just like makes me happy. All right, and for a brow bone highlight, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade, what is that, Ring Light? Yeah, I'm just gonna take a small angled brush. This one is by Luxie. Just gonna pop this into take that same color, just give myself a little inner eye highlight there. I feel like it just like adds a little bit more life, you know? A little too much life there, gonna just tone that down. There we go. And for lips, I think I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick by CoverGirl. This is their Melting Pout Matte formula, and I'm gonna use the shade Ballerina. That's what this looks like. For liquid lips, just to make them look a little more natural, I normally just dab them in. So I'm gonna go back around my Cupid's bow area here. I'm just gonna tap it on. This just really lightly feathers out that formula and makes your lips look slightly bigger. And I'm gonna add some of this blush by Laura Geller. This is the Baked Blush and Brighten. That's what it looks like. This has like a really nice amount of shimmer in there. Very spring. All right, guys, and that's the finished look. I actually feel kind of guilty with how quick this look took, but like I feel like it looks really good though. So maybe I don't feel that guilty, but like, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm like really shocked by this. Like, maybe it's just because I don't do yellows often. You guys are probably like, yeah, it's not that groundbreaking, but I don't know. I like it a lot. I feel like it's very spring. It put me in such a better mood. I feel like in the start of this video, I was very like, and I'm blending this yellow shade, like. But yeah, I hope that you guys like this look. Let me know in the comments down below if there are any other makeup tutorials that you would like to see. I definitely want to do a few more spring looks, so if there's anything specific that you have in mind, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.